Hi guys, this is Vaishnav Jain, co-founder of Ytalife. Welcome to Ytalife's 21-day program. Today is the last day, sadly. But what is it going to be today? It's going to be one of our favorites. Yes, you guessed it right. It's going to be HIIT day. We're going to perform a full body HIIT that will be targeting the major muscle groups. That's the main thing. So we're going to start warming up with some burpees, followed by a variation in plank, and end it up with some exercises for the core. I want you to give it all. Today is the last day. Let's get a killer workout done. Come on, guys. Alright guys, the workout was intense, but as usual, this was just one round, 2 more rounds, that's it, and after that you'll be done. But again, it doesn't mean like the 21-day workout is over, so you don't have to work out anymore. Definitely keep practicing this routine again and again. It'll be very helpful. But if you're bored or tired of the same workout, you could definitely go check out our Instagram and Facebook page. We post content there regularly, right? It was a pleasure having you guys with us. Stay active, stay healthy to live a life without limitations.